What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the soundboard feature is not showing up in your Discord server. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, the soundboard feature only applies to servers with less than 50 members at this time. The limit of users might change in the future, but if you're moderating a Discord server with more than 50 users, then it's not possible to use the soundboard feature at this time. If you are still unable to find the soundboard option, make sure to close the Discord application. Exit out of the app in your system tray and close all Discord processes in your task manager. When this is done, search for %appdata% and hit enter. A new folder will open up. In this folder, locate and delete the Discord folder. When this is done, you will be required to re-download the Discord installer to restart the installation process for the application. Open up your browser of choice and navigate to discord.com. Download the installer for Windows, macOS or Linux and run it on your system. After running the installer and relaunching Discord on your system, right-click your server icon and select Server Settings. In the Soundboard section, click Upload Sound. Choose a file on your PC and enter a sound name and related emoji before saving your changes. Make sure the sound is not in WAV format, but rather in MP3 to make sure it's properly saved. You can save up to 8 different slots for the soundboard. Lastly, open up your Discord user settings. In the Game Overlay section, make sure to enable the In-Game Overlay, which will allow you to properly use the Discord soundboard. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.